Hello. Here is an amazing laptop for everyone. The 14.1 Full HD Windows Laptop PC. Here are the features of this laptop. Product description. Capacity, 64 GB. Description. Fusion 5 great value, great design. Great experience. Best Windows laptops, Lapbook, and notebooks. Fusion5 is a leading independent brand selling laptops, Lapbooks, notebook, tablet PCs since 2011. Fusion5 T90B Plus Pro Windows laptop is a perfect computer for your daily needs. It is backed with a Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, 5 GHz, which makes uploads at least 2x faster, and it is backed with a HDD slot. Not all HDDs compatible. Please check with Fusion5 for compatible HDDs readily available in the market, which can take up to 1 TB HDD. Amazing viewing experience. This notebook cum laptop comes with a 14.1-inch Full HD IPS display, allows you to take advantage of its high resolution by enjoying your favorite games and apps from the Windows Store. Ultra light, brilliantly durable. Your new laptop is so light and easy to carry around, it even stretches 170 degrees and becomes flat if needed. Super fast processor. Launch your games and programs faster than ever before and with no lag. Get SUPERIER support. All our products are backed by our fantastic 12 months warranty. 14.1 Windows 10 Quad-Core Netbook. Intel Atom Cherry Trail Z8350 GPU processor. Intel HD Graphic Gen 8 display 1920*1080 TP. Terrific download and upload speeds. T90B Plus Pro Windows laptop. PC features 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which means the download and upload speeds are at least 2x faster than traditional laptops. Furthermore, Intel Cherry Trail quad-core processor is quick enough to launch your Windows programs with no lag whatsoever and play your favorite games in full speed. Supports HDD up to 1 TB. Your new lapbook comes with 4 GB RAM. Storage is expandable up to 256 GB with a micro SD card (TF card). Or insert a HDD up to 1 TB and increase the internal storage immediately. Super light and flexible, Fusion5 T90B Plus Pro new notebook laptop is light and easy to carry around, weighing just 1,248 grams. Amazing viewer experience. This Fusion5 laptop PC come with an amazing 14.1-inch 1920*1080 Full HD IPS display, meaning you can now compute on the move in stunning Full HD and high resolution. For the ultimate portable Windows notebook laptop experience. 12 months USA warranty and service center assistance. Fusion5 is honoring warranties since 2011. We have the utmost confidence in our product range of laptops and notebooks. So much so that we offer a full 12-month USA warranty period, applicable to our USA service center. Click on the link in the description to place your order. Amazon is currently offering discounted prices on this laptop. Click on the link on the description below. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment, like or share our videos. Cheers!